Welcome to the live training call for Epic and Grants customers. Although this is for customers, but we made it in a way, we designed it in a way that any YouTube audience or any social media or any audience from beginner to pro, even if you didn't purchase anything from us, you will still get benefited. You will still learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. All right. But in case if you are Epic and Grants customers, you already purchased, you got access to Epic and Grants, this will be mind-blowing for you. Epic is free, by the way, link is in the description. Grants link is also in the description. So this is a screenshot of one of our Warrior Plus affiliate accounts. By the way, I want to apologize for the ums and ums and some of the boring parts because this is a live call. So yes, customers are live on the call and they will be asking questions. I will have to answer, and I will ask our editor to remove some of the boring parts if we are too much delayed. So you'll see some of the cuts to make it a little bit more interesting for other viewers, okay? But anyone on the call will learn how to make money online. So stay tuned till the end of the video. And yes, because we are teaching everything, giving away almost everything for free, please hit the like button and share this video with friends and family, social media contacts. Share this video with your social media timeline so everybody else learns about how to make money online. And because of your share, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. And this is what we do. And the screenshot, what we are showing here, is the reflection of that. We give away everything up front. We don't pull anything back to sell later. No, nothing. We give away everything, all the information, all the software access, etc. So here is an example of one of our Warrior Plus accounts affiliate results. You see the money we made is $69,227, one of the accounts at some given point of time. But this is not the most important thing, and that's why I'm sharing without any date, without anything, because the most important thing here is the hops. These are the clicks from the real human, real people who loved the way we do things that we're about to share with you, the value we add to their lives. They click our links and they decide to buy from us, and that's how we make money online. All right, let me try this. This is something I really like. Okay, this is an arrow that you can bend. Interesting. So this screenshot software is a free software. It's a Google Chrome extension that you can get. I think the name is here. It's Awesome Screenshot. Cool. All right. So let's begin. Before we begin, I only need a couple of, in order to make money online, I only need a couple of tools. I already put them right here. You can see them. It's Warrior Plus. Of course, we make money from Warrior Plus as a vendor and as an affiliate. We use our software Epic. Epic is an artificial intelligence software. It allows us to make videos. Let me show you one of the examples. Epic allows us to make videos using image, links, and texts. And Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence. I can simply go here, click the text generator, put any text, and Epic will rewrite using Spinner, using AI, and then turn that speech or text into natural sounding voiceover using text to audio. So in our other channels, 20 plus channels, we don't use cameras and microphones. This is not a scalable way to make videos. So we use Epic, and Epic allows us to make same video multiple times. Every video will be unique because if I just remove and move and change the image, adds new text, and add a new voiceover, the video is new. Add a new different background music, the video is new and unique. Also, this video is going to be the training video for our Epic users, that how we make the done for you videos for them. So the Epic users who upgraded to elite group membership, weekly videos, done for you videos from us. We make long videos for them, for their YouTube and other channels, and we put them in their dashboard, how we make them, okay? How we make for us. And Grants users, or the Grants customers, are those who don't believe or don't want to spend a lot of money on Shopify and WooCommerce, but they want their stores, online stores up and running within seconds, and they can sell 3 different types of products: physical, digital, licensed products, and get all the bells and whistles and benefits of Shopify and their extremely expensive and quality add-ons without using the WooCommerce plugins. So grants users will be benefited by looking at what kind of product they can put on their store and how they can promote their product using video or using Epic if they want. So let us begin. By the way, shameless plug, grants and Epic links are in the description, and other softwares free for you. Links are in the description. All are useful. We use them in our businesses on day-to-day basis. So first of all, I'm going to create a new video for today. And I'm going to use this product as an example. This video will be there for the Epic Elite members, and the grants users can put this product in their store if they want to. So first, let me put this screenshot here for inspiration, okay? Money is the biggest inspiration. Okay, now, I only need a couple of tools to make money. So number one, this is a keyword tool that you can use. Any keyword tool you can use. We use Ubersuggest for, this is our habit. I need Amazon, that's it. And I need Udemy to see things verified. I need artificial intelligence, AI software. This is the best in the market, the most expensive one, by the way. Link will be in the description in case you want to, but this is expensive. And finally, I just opened this to show you how the sales page looks like. Okay, so now I went to the best sellers on Amazon. Remember, only one mindset: helping others. Helping others who need help and they're looking for information online. We want to use our software, Epic, grants, to help them with information, help them with product. And we want to focus the people who have credit cards. They are serious about their life. They want to spend money in order to get their problem solved. We don't want to focus on the freebie seekers because they will only drain our energy, take our time. They want to get everything free, but they don't know that in fact nothing is free. We will give all our value upfront, we give all the information upfront, but at the same time we will recommend something so they can buy if they want. And yes, when we target the right audience, a lot of people will buy. Let's carry on. First, I went to best sellers. I just randomly choose one product that has a lot of feedbacks, positive feedbacks, and the rating is 4.4 out of 5. So a lot of people love it. A lot of people bought it. It's approximately $80, $70 to $80 USD in price. So it's pretty much expensive product. What is this? It's a portable neck fan. People put it like this on their necks, around their necks, and when they run the fan, they get cool. So we want to look at everything they have, what they're selling, what customers are saying, the features, the benefits, everything. And even the photos, the target market. It looks like young people at the target market, the sportsmen, the travelers, a random person walking on the street, sportsman and hiker. Good. So we understand a couple of things. Their target market, these are the top targets of them. And the keywords on Amazon, keywords are very important. And on Amazon, this rating or reviews, what customers are saying are very, very important. What type of keywords they're using. Because again, keep in mind, we want to help people with our videos. So go ahead. Guys, if you have any question, feel free to ask in the chat box. I will reply. Okay, so let me show you how we start. We want to start from the most important keyword, it looks like, because they put it on the top at the beginning. And there are other keywords as well, but we want to start from here. So portable neck fan, and okay, so go to keyword ideas, and then we go to hiking. Okay, good. Travel, hiking. So let's add travel and hiking. Click search. We want to see what people are asking about these keywords. Why? Because we want to make our simple videos attract these people to our videos and then sneakily promote something to them. Okay, so we got hiking 450,000 searches per month and travel 673,000 searches per month. Wow, a lot of people. We want to know more about what they're looking for, Wow, okay, cool stuff. Then I will go to online course and I will look for hiking. Look. When I searched with hiking, I searched before, that's what I'm saying, 90 results for hiking, And this one is sold to 2,465 students at a price point of $69.99. So I ask Siri, hey Siri, what's the results of 2,465? Oh, sorry. Hey Siri, how much is 2,465 times 69.99?
2,465 times 69.99 is 170. 2,525.35.
Wow. So they made $172,000 selling a basic survival concepts to 2,465 students on Udemy alone. So what is this? This is a course. And what is a course? Go down below and you'll find expand all sections. These are simple lectures, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute long video. Basic survival. Good. I love it. So there are active people on this niche. Now I want to use my AI software. I want to learn about it. So I say, hey, okay, copy neck fan here. This is the copy neck fan, and product description. I want to copy as much as possible from here. Control C and see how much we can cover. Okay, not too much. It's okay. All right, and those who are right. So now we want to check the audience. So who purchased? No, we want to know from. We can check this from on Google, but AI will give us results. Who are the customers for? Okay, and hit enter. Let's see what. So the customers are the people who need relief from the summer heat. They may be working outdoors. Super awesome. So copy this and paste it here. Okay, from the summer heat. All right, and turn on the voice. Okay, we want to get some results from here. So generate AI content. There's some 10 outputs. Now look at this. How to beat the heat this summer with a portable neck fan. 5 ways to beat this heat. 5 ways to beat the heat this summer with a portable neck fan. How to beat the heat. 5 tips for staying cool this summer. Wow. So I'm gonna add this here as an example. Add this here, example. 7 ways. Good. This one is good. Awesome. We have some examples now. Now from these examples, I want to create more content ideas. Okay, looks like they are the same thing. Okay, not a problem. So what I'm gonna do, click here, all right, and I will say how to beat this summer with a portable neck fan. Or all these topics, they can become our video ideas. Okay, now if we go to summer and we want to look for what people are looking for on the summer tips or summer hit. Awesome. We got some awesome ideas. 3,400 related keywords. All these are summer related, summer heat related, summer tips related, and portable neck fan related. Now I can download the whole list and I can simply search on Google and put some tips here. How do we do that? It's pretty simple. Let's say take this image, just click on it, copy image address, go here, Control V, and boom, the image is right here. And you can play around with it, you can rotate it. And now this is your topic. Add the text. This is the beginning of your video. Now go to the blog post outline section, copy this here, paste this here, and generate AI content. Add this. This is the outline. So the weather is getting hot and sticky, and you want to, okay, so now if you want to add this, all right, just copy this and go here, add a new slide. Just add, you want to add a video from Pixabay. So let's say summer. So let this as the background image or the background video. You can switch off the sound if you want. And look at this. Now make it white if you want to, and take this text, add audio, choose favorite voice type, and paste it right here. Click submit. Now here's the beauty. Look, you see this 30 minutes here? Go to the text to audio section, and the moment you add this, immediately, all of a sudden, the clip size becomes 7 seconds. Now let's listen to it.
The weather is getting hot and sticky, but you don't have to suffer with the heat. A portable neck fan can help keep you cool.
Awesome. So you can add as many bite-sized clips as you want and make your video. You can save it like this. The next one, if you don't want to, let's say write more about the last sentence and hit enter. Now you got another text content. You can add another one. Now this time you want to add an image. So again, go to summer, maybe just choose this image. And let's say you don't want to use this text, you want to use another text. So go to the text section and text generator, click here, spin text. The text will change using AI. And you want to turn this as an audio. You can add your own audio just like this. I'm gonna record my voice now, look at this. A mobile fan can assist keep you cool down by giving as much needed wind while you're out as well as about. Whether you're working outdoors or just trying to avoid the heat, a neck follower can make a large difference. Now, honestly, this wasn't the right grammar, so you can just edit it a little bit. But look at the technology. A mobile fan can assist keep. So I have just added my own voice. On the other hand, I can easily use text to audio. Give it a voice type, use a voice artist. Go ahead, text to audio section, click add. The voiceover is added now. Listen to this.
A mobile neck fan can assist keep you cool down.
Awesome. Now save it. You can name your slides or sections, bite-sized sections. Now, let's say I am busy. I'm just going to save the campaign and I will leave. Later, when I'm free, I will come back, add more sections, call to actions, etc. At the end, I say, hey, if you want to buy a neck fan, go to the link in the description or go to the first comment or link in the bio. You can get the awesome, the most awesome, the best of the best neck fan. Now here's the deal. When you help people upfront with information they are looking for, you build relationship and trust. And then when you ask them to buy something, they will buy. This is why we make videos. And on our videos, we share awesome information, helpful information that our audience is looking for. And for that, we use Epic and our Epic users use Epic. And that's how we can run so many channels. Epic link is in the description. You can grab it anytime you want. And of course, Grants is the awesome solution for having your own store, online store. Link in the description as well. Go grab it. So this is it. We are going to finish this video and we're going to save it as a template, as a done for you video for the elite members. You can access your video from here. Click add new and then go here. All these videos are done for you. These are all small videos, but the long videos are only for tiny videos are for everyone, but long videos are only for the elite members. So yeah, go ahead, grab Epic, Grants, and use all the tools, the techniques I have shown you. Start making videos, sell affiliate products. Making money is super easy. All you need are these clicks. Clicks comes from trust. So you have to build trust by giving away good information, the information that customers are looking for. Awesome? Go ahead, do it, and we'll see you in the next video. By the way, if you're watching this video from YouTube and other places, we put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years. So go ahead, like this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell so YouTube notifies you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.